Hello and welcome to German Lesson 5. Today we learn the big numbers. First, we are going to take a look at the hundreds. Then we check the thousands. And we learn how to combine all that so that we can go together to the Oktoberfest in Manila and order and buy food in German. Let's dive right into it.
Welcome to German Lesson 5. Today we are going to take a look at the hundreds and thousands. But first, let's review what we have learned so far. Here are the numbers from 10 to 19. I'll say them for you. You can speak them with me if you feel. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Awesome. We have the rule small digit first, big digit second. Or if you want it like that, right digit first, left digit second. Here we have the 20s, double digits. Let's review the 20s, 30s and 40s. 3, 2, 1. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And again, we go with the rule small digit first, big digit second. And so we get 21, 22. Of course, we add the und. Those numbers we have practiced to talk about age, to talk about telephone numbers. But what do we do if we have people who are really old, or if we have things which are really expensive and we want to talk about prices, for example in peso? Then we need the hundreds and thousands. As you can see here, the English word 100 comes from the German word 100. The English word 1000 comes from the German word 1000. Super easy. So, let's say them together. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Nothing you can do wrong here. Now we go with the thousands. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, 10,000. And, important, you can continue with every other thousand digit like this. 21.000, 30.000, 100,000. Same principle as in English. How do we combine these numbers? We start with 21. How do we say 121? It's easy. We just put it at the beginning. 121. How do we transform to 1121? Again, we just put it at the beginning. 1121. Let's try this together. Can you say the first number? What do you think it is? Right, 4000. Look at the second one. 4600. How about the third one? Exactly, 4650. And the last one? 4651. With that, we can talk about old places all over the world in the Philippines. Let's take a look at the first one. Die Banaue Reisterrassen sind 2000 Jahre alt. Reisterrassen, Rice Terraces. Die Pyramiden in Ägypten sind 4520 Jahre alt. Stonehenge in England ist 3620 Jahre alt. Und Angkor Wat in Kambodscha ist 874 Jahre alt. But we want to use our knowledge to go to the Oktoberfest. If you did not know, the Oktoberfest is not only in Germany, but you can also find it in Manila on the 2nd and 3rd weekend of October. So if you feel like after this lesson, you can order and ask for the price of food in German. To do that, we need two new verbs. If you want to say I want, you can say ich möchte, ich möchte. If you want to know how much something costs, you say es kostet, it costs. And in this picture, you see one of the most famous foods at the Oktoberfest, Schweinshaxen. That's like the German version of Lechon. If you want to know how much it is, you just ask, was kostet die Schweinshaxen? And you might have the reply, die Schweinshaxen kostet 1350 Peso. Then the waiter might ask you, was möchtest du? And you just reply, ich möchte die Schweinshaxen. And with that, you can ask for the price and order food at the Oktoberfest. Let's take a look at some more words that are useful. First and most important, we have das Bier. You can order beer in different sizes. You can order das kleine Bier, which is 0.3, das halbe Bier, which is 0.5, die Maß, which is 1 liter of a beer. Or you can order das Fass, the barrel, that's 3 liters of beer. Beer, very important. Beer and Brot. Take a look at this one. Der Brotkorb, the bread basket. Die Brotzeit zum Teilen. Brotzeit, the time for bread. And zum Teilen means for sharing. Now, we take a look at sausage. What do we have here? On the left, we have die Thüringer Rostbratwurst. That's beef and pork sausage. Thüringer Rostbratwurst. Below, die Käsekreiner. Sausage with cheese. Really good. We have die Nürnberger. Die Nürnberger. That comes from Nürnberg. And we have die Bauernwurst, which is a farmer's sausage. Lastly, let's take a look at this. Das Brotzeitbrot, the best of Brotzeit. We have die Käseplatte. Platte means Platte, so we have die Käseplatte, and we have die Brezen, the Brezel. And with that, we are ready to order and ask for the price and to say the things that we can buy at the Oktoberfest. Now, take a look at the pre-course competition, and we are looking forward to seeing you in class. Bye bye.